Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are just going to be focusing on the eyes, which is why I have my base and everything done and have one eye primed. Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and also turn on the bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And let's get started. Today I wanted to try to do a emerald eye look. So I'm going to be dipping into the original Jaclyn X Morphe palette, and we're going to dip into these colors right here. Okay, I did leave my eye base wet, and I'm going to take a little M456 blending brush, and I'm going to dip into that dark emerald shade that I pointed out, and we're just going to dive in. Actually, I'm going to lay some powder under my eyes so we don't fudge up our under eyes. Just gonna put a generous amount so that way it's like a blanket to catch any fallout. Okay, back with that emerald shade, I'm going to start tapping it on the outer corner. I'm also going to take a little bit and start trailing it inwards. For now, that's okay. I'm going to take another M456 and I'm going to dip into that shade right there. It's kind of like a camel color. Or should I? No. I'm going to dip into this color right here. I'm going to start stamping it around the edge of that emerald shade that we laid down. Now that we stamped, we're just going to start lightly blending those two colors together. Just lightly. And now I'm going to go back in with the emerald green. Now I'm going to take my color switch and I'm going to dust off that brush that we had the emerald green on, just so we can continue to blend without adding more color. Now I dipped my brush in between the emerald and the burnt yellow, mustard yellow color and dusted off my brush really well, and I'm just going to go in this inner corner to try to help blend it a little bit more. It's so far actually doing just fine. Honestly, didn't even need to do this, but y'all know how I am. Tiny bit more of the mustard. Now I'm going to take a flat brush. This is the M410. I'm going to dip into the emerald shade. Very carefully place this along my lash line. Now that we have that placed, I'm going to take the brush that I used on the mustard color, and I'm going to very lightly dip into the mustard and start blending that out. Now I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. This is the M501 with a little bit of my loose setting powder. And I'm just going to take it around the edges, just so we can make it more natural, not natural, but blend more naturally into the skin. This is also one of my tricks if you are having trouble blending your eyeshadow. I would suggest doing this. Taking just a hair of that emerald and just reinforcing before I put in the shimmer shade. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm very excited with how it looks. Now, I'm gonna take a M166, a little flat cat paw brush, and I'm gonna dip into the emerald metallic shade, and I'm gonna start packing this on my lid. We are getting a good bit of fallout, but that's okay. I'm going to take my finger, and we're going to tap in the center. Boom. I'm going to go back with this fluffy brush and hopefully, yeah, wipe it off. Now I'm going to take a little tiny cat paw brush. This is the M124. Same shape, it's just smaller. I'm going to use one of the light shimmer shades in the Jaclyn palette to highlight the inner corner, just to bring back a little bit of brightness. And this has like a yellow undertone to it, so it goes very well with the mustard color that we used. Just feathering it into the other shades. I'm going to take a little bit of that as well and put it up under my brow. And then taking just one of the blenders to help blend that in. Alright, that is the eyeshadow look. I'm going to complete the other eye and my face off camera and we'll be right back. Okay guys, that is the finished look. On my lips, just in case you guys are wondering, I did use the Morphe liner in the shade Sweet Tea. And I did top it with the Milani 410 Pleasure. Looks like that. That's the packaging. It's the like velvet matte or whatever it's called. And then I also put a little bit of the Iggy Azalea I'm Psychic lip gloss. And then these lashes are from a brand that reached out to me on Instagram. They are called Crave lashes. And the lash style, let me find it, is Chocolate Souffle. They are very, very pretty. They are handmade. I like them a lot. But yeah guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on that bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful day or night depending on whenever you're watching this. Bye!